O to carve pumpkin. Wow Halloween we to a carve pumpkin sitting on your porch or at a window looking out at trick or treater? Maketi Halloween special be carving your own pumpkin. Euro. Using a pumpkin. Visit en area to search for a pumpkin. Visit your local supermarket, farmer market, or pumpkin patch. Fin allocation with a healthy selection of pumpkin and a have a range of sizes. Select a healthy pumpkin. When you're using a pumpkin, try to pick on ta free of nick, bruise, en cut. Look for a sturdy stem ta de et un phéto bendable, en forme mostly consist coloral to way around. Kno cortimpont skin like you will damelon, if you wear all low sound, te pumpkin I rip. Remember you can always wash the pumpkin with an old cloth when you get home. Remember if you carve it too early, keep it in a bucket of water so it'll keep in moisture. Pick the size you need. If you're planning on an elaborate pumpkin carving, not ta large gourmand more work. If you have a kid en simply plan on drawing faces on your pumpkin with a permanent marker, try picking up several small to medium sample for them to puddy for design. Timid right. Most pumpkin will be rotten by on recovery after a week and a half to 2 weeks. With tea in me, buy your pumpkin abu a week or less before Halloween. Developing a design. Use a method for carving your pumpkin. The method will determine which material you'll need. Rare popular carving option. Carve a traditional jack-o'-lantern. Plan to cuautei, amut, en pera panos. Design easiest for beginner. Carve a silhouette. Pick a shape for instance, a ghost en carve out the negative space around the ghost shape, ten carve out feature like your amut. You line up with a circle of light around dark shape, with lighted detail. Carve down to the pulp. For a daytime jack-o'-lantern taillou dans un temps to light, usant X-Acto knife to scratch away the pumpkin skin en reveal the pulp. Donc carve alt way un tot gour. Carving bas-relief. Carving a complicated image in bas-relief combine alt method above you carve through to the gour in some area, only done toute pulp in terre, enlève certaines sections anti-reliées intactes. Il y a difficult method to learn, bu revarding to master. For bas-relief carving, you might need photo software to posterize your image for easy carving. Draft your design on the pumpkin. For traditional, silhouette en pulp carving, use a permanent marker or dry erase marker to outline your design on the pumpkin. Dry erase marking can be wiped off if you mess up. If you're doing a bas-relief design, you might need a projector to put image on your pumpkin in black and white. If you're decorating a pumpkin with children, letting them draw the design can be fun to include them, yet avoid having them and le char carving tool. Carving a pumpkin. Fin en appropriate knife. For pumpkin carving, use a serrated braid knife, a jabso, use to cut wall, or a purpose made serrated knife taken from a pumpkin carving set. When carving, draw the knife back and forth if you're sewing through a tree trunk. Avoid using a straight edge knife if possible, you'll have to use more force to cut through the pumpkin in addition to having less control over the blade. Sais-tu pas spatio work area? Lay on some nice paper or a brown sack from your grocery store on a flat surface. Don't protect the surface en make for an easy clean up when done. Lay out your tool, available for discarded pumpkin in ar. Q-alib. Mesure a circle with a bout à 2 inches, 5 cm, radius from the stem. You'll cut around the circle to make the lid. Do no make the cut completely vertical, instead, angle the point of the knife in toward the center of the circle. The lid will then see in a ball shaped indentation to prevent it from falling into the center of the pumpkin. Additionally, carve a small protruding notch somewhere in the circle, it will tell you exactly where the lid fit back in. After you've removed the lid from the pumpkin, cut a slice of the underside to remove excess filling and flatten the bottom. te lead de et un to becu in a circle. Tri-shopping te lead à square, star oro t'échappe. Juste mac sur you keep te knif anglais te vart santé off te pumpkin à you carve te lead en opening. Remove te feeling from te pumpkin. Use a large spoon or you rent to plus la love te strand en seed from t'aincide off your pumpkin. Scrap it a clean a you can, saute à mort light chin trug your jack au lanterne. T-step cambe skiped if your simply carving donne toute pulp of te pumpkin, with no intention of following it out. You can savant toast te pumpkin sei for atrea. Disentangle them from te strain feeling en rince them off, ten toast them with olive oil en saltant scatter on a coquichette. Toast for à bout 25 minutes à 400 OF, 200 OC. You can also plant seed next spring to grow your own pumpkin. Keep in mind that your pumpkin is probably across between several types, and the pumpkin you get from the seed might look entirely different. The seed if you need to level the bottom. If your pumpkin already a relatively flat bottom and rest stable, you can skip this step. If no, flip the pumpkin upside down and carve a flat slice of the bottom. If your pumpkin can see way to oblique, your slice will level en nug. If no, try again. Star carving your design. Use a gentle back en forte motion to cut into the pumpkin, attack your team. Discard cut out piece a you remove them. Keep following your pattern until you've carved out your design. Use a light source if you've carved an open pumpkin. Traditionally, jack-o'-lantern overlay with candlestick or light, but flashlight en flickering LED are popular modern option. Make your decision based on potential safety concernant what sort of base your pumpkin if you didn't carve a slice of the bottom, you might have a hard time balancing a candle inside the pumpkin. Ventilate needed. If you those two use a candle, make sure your carving will provide the flame with enough oxygen to keep burning. If you've cut several large hole in your pumpkin, you should be fine. If no, consider cutting a small one in the lid or remove the lid entirely. Use a safe display area. If you're using a candle in your pumpkin, place it in an area away from flammable item. For instance, don't place it near a ebb or scarecrow. Those items could light on fire if your pumpkin is just la dark knocked away. Additionally, take carte a trick or treater dangling costume on jet cockpit candle flame. If you're using a candle to light your pumpkin en placing it on anything wooden, place à 8-10-20 cm x 25 cm, dîner plate down first, to catch wax sans avoir de setting wooden porch, table, or stair on